Are you ready for a note? There you go.
Oh my God. Yeah. Goosebumps.
I'm Edwin. This is Marcia, and this is Beyond Hair. Marcia has an incredible thick head of hair, but she struggles with frizziness and dryness. So today we're going to tidy up the ends and put a nice shape in there. But I'm also going to show her some KMS products, which will help her control that frizz and add some much needed moisture back into her hair.
So tell me a little bit about yourself. I know you go to school.
Yeah, so I am a single mom of a 5-year-old and an 8-year-old. I'm a student, and I'm also a singer and actress.
Wow. So you need a hairstyle for being a mom.
Yes.
You need a hairstyle for going out and having fun.
Yes.
And you need a hairstyle that's versatile, that when you're performing, singing, acting,
Exactly.
it ticks all the boxes.
Oh, can I be a classy mom and go on a hot date all in one day with the same hairstyle? Yes. Yes, you can.
Well, that's what we want, right? We want lifestyle hair that allows us to do all these different things in our lives and still look fantastic every moment that we're doing.
Exactly. How I became inspired to, get back into the performing arts was actually, we had a family tragedy. My late husband passed away. I think life events like that really teach you, okay, what do I want to do? What's important? And also, how can I heal? And for me, it's always been through the arts. So I decided to take some theater courses and get back into music. So now I'm playing piano again, I'm singing again, and I'm just so excited to see where it takes me. And also, how can I inspire others through art?
Fantastic. Wow, what a story. So did you just wake up one day and start, I wonder if my voice would do that?
It's funny because I was in the car with my parents, and I was quite young, 11 years old, and they were playing an album by a vocalist, Sarah Brightman, and so I just decided to start singing along, and they looked in the back seat and they're like, holy.
Who is that?
Yeah, and they couldn't believe it, that they had no idea. They knew I could sing a little bit, but I didn't know I could do that either, so
right?
It was...
Like it just happened.
It just kind of happened, so
Wow.
That was kind of fun.
When I was in high school, I did play in a punk band.
Really?
That's actually kind of how I actually got into hair too.
Yeah.
Because I started cutting the guys' hair in the band. Like everyone got a mohawk. And then this one mom got mad at my dad because it was like the night before school photos and her precious son now had a mohawk.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Yeah, it was awesome. So punk, right?
It is. I've had a mohawk before, recently, a few years ago. I loved it. It was a good time. You just feel cool.
And now look at me now, getting to cut your hair.
Getting to cut my hair.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm actually just gonna debulk a bit of the bulk back here. This is our CONSCIOUSSTYLE Beach Style Cream. So this you can actually leave to air dry, or you can diffuse it and create texture, right? So we're gonna use quite a liberal amount because you got a lot of hair.
Yes.
And we wanna break this through into the hair, all the way from your roots down through into your ends. So we're gonna take this brush, randomly take pieces of your hair. We're gonna round that into the hair. So when you bundle the hair together, it's gonna less likely to frizz. This is your third look. This is your going out on a hot date.
Yeah.
You need to just touch up a few ends.
Exactly, right?
Right.
They're like, oh, her hair is as big as her personality. This is great. It's like a big tornado just coming at them. Perfect. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it.
So I'm just finishing this little bit of what we call sea salt spray. So I'm just gonna use that as our finishing spray.
I'm so excited to wear it out, go out, show it off, and really live my best life with this fabulous, big, frizz-free, wavy hair.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our episode, and I hope you enjoyed my conversation with Marcia. For more great content and many more episodes featuring amazing stylists from around the world, check out the KMS Pro page on YouTube.